Hey, Otto, is that your friend Thor? Thor, slow down. That ramp is not a racetrack. Well, the ramp survived. The tricycle sounds less enthusiastic. From the StageAI Plus Foundation, the products, the gadgets, the tools that make life easier. Now, here's Otto. And this is Otto Reviews It.
Thor, the next time we need somebody to test a wheelchair ramp, we are finding someone who does not believe every entrance requires a checkered flag. The good news is, Thor is fine. The tricycle has requested a few personal days. Hello everybody, Otto here, with another product review from the StageAI Plus Foundation. Today, we are reviewing the FACHNUO 2-foot portable wheelchair ramp. Before we get into it, you can find our Amazon product link in the description. If you purchase through that link, the foundation may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. You pay the same price, while your purchase helps support our work for older adults and people with disabilities. So, unlike Thor, you can help the foundation without crashing into anybody's living room. This folding aluminum ramp is designed for smaller steps, thresholds, doorways, and entryways. It may be used with compatible wheelchairs, mobility scooters, and walkers. When unfolded, it measures approximately 24 inches long and 29 inches wide. It folds in half, has a built-in carrying handle, and weighs just under 11 pounds. According to the manufacturer, it supports up to 800 pounds and is intended for height differences between 2 and 6 inches. However, the manufacturer recommends that the step height not exceed 4 inches when the ramp is being used for wheelchair access. That is important because a ramp that is too short for the height of the step can create an incline that is too steep. Measure the step, the doorway, and the mobility device before ordering. Thor measured his enthusiasm. Unfortunately, that was the only thing he measured. The ramp has a textured, non-slip aluminum surface. It also includes raised side protection, reflective strips for visibility, and extended guide rails intended to help keep wheels safely positioned. The front extension plate must sit completely flush with the ground. Always place the ramp on a firm, stable surface and make sure it cannot slide or shift before anyone uses it. The manufacturer also says the wheelbase of the wheelchair or scooter should not exceed 27 inches. Check your doorway carefully as well. The sidewalls or extension plate could interfere with a swinging door or block the track of a sliding door. The ramp is made from aluminum with a corrosion-resistant stainless steel hinge, so it may be useful indoors or outdoors. Its folding design and carrying handle also make it easier to transport or store. At the time of this review, it was listed for $84.98, although Amazon prices can change. Otto's verdict? This appears to be a practical portable ramp for smaller steps and thresholds, provided the measurements, slope, doorway, and mobility device are all compatible. I like the manageable weight, folding design, carrying handle, non-slip surface, reflective strips, and raised side protection. But correct sizing and secure placement are essential. This ramp can improve access, but it cannot replace careful use, appropriate assistance, or professional guidance when those are needed. And under absolutely no circumstances should it be approached at Thor speed. If you would like to examine the ramp, the Amazon link is in the description. We may earn a commission from qualifying purchases, but it will not cost you anything extra. That support helps the StageAI Plus Foundation provide practical product information, technology guidance, fraud prevention education, safety resources, and community support for older adults and people with disabilities. The foundation link is in our bio. Please like, follow, subscribe, and share this review with an older adult, person with a disability, caregiver, or family who could benefit from it. This is Otto, reminding you that a good ramp should make getting into the house safer. It should not help Thor break the indoor land speed record. I'll see you in the next review.